What's up, YouTube, man? Back with another video. Today, I came out with the idea. It's gonna be 80 degrees today, so I'm gonna take the hood off my rebuilt RT. Yes, I got the fenders coming in. As y'all know, I put the wheels staggered. But let me know if I should keep these like the Hellcat replicas, and I should get the 5 spokes in the front. But yeah, that's all about this video. So today, as y'all see, I still got the flame kit hooked up, but I'm gonna open the hood for y'all, show y'all if y'all want to do this, y'all can do it too. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna be taking the hood off of it because it's gonna be a nice day. Why not? You feel me? Never took the hood off my car, but it's real simple. So what you want to do if you ever take the hood off your car, all you're doing is taking off this bolt. I think it's an 11 or a 12. Both of these, you're gonna take off both of these and just put the strut down. And then you're gonna come on this side as well and do the same thing. Take this one off, take this one off. It's already crooked because I took it off before. Well, actually, no, I haven't. The people at my job have. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. Let me go get the tools and I'll be right back. So I got the 14. It's really not supposed to be a 14. It's supposed to be a 13, but for some reason mine is a 14. So all you wanna do, you're just gonna put it right there. And then just loosen that bitch. I'm doing this with one hand, my bad, yo. God damn, it be on flat. There you go. And then you just gonna loosen that motherfucker. There you go, just like that. And then you good. So I'm gonna take this off, y'all, and I'm gonna cut the camera back on and stuff. Alright, YouTube, so as y'all can see, I had to tape the wires down. I had to do the flame kit all over again. So I taped the wires to the flame kit a little bit better, taped it all the way around, taped the hoses. We took the hood off, it's laying right there. I left everything right there, so when I'm done, you know I'm done. So yeah, we took everything off, y'all. Just letting y'all know y'all might need a second hand. I had my neighbor over there help me out. So yeah, but yeah, I had to rewire the flame kit, tape everything down because I don't have zip ties. And yeah, that's what it look like. So I'm gonna give y'all a little POV with the hood off in my rebuilt RT. Look. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This shit kind of fire. Like, I'm nervous because I never done some stupid shit like this. But that shit looks hard. Damn, I hope y'all didn't just hear wind. But that shit is crazy. I never done some shit like this. This shit raw as fuck. I think I just gained like 30 horsepower. Ugly. By the way, y'all, I'm on my way to get some gas, so I'm gonna cut back when we at the gas station. All right, y'all, so I'm back now. I didn't put the gas in the motherfucking RT. What the fuck is this bitch on? I didn't put the gas in the RT. Apparently, it made my check engine light go off, so I appreciate that, ugly boy. But yeah, I'm finna head to where y'all. Finna get y'all this nice little POV with the engine bay open. So if y'all ever want to try it, y'all can. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, everybody been, like when I pulled it, everybody was like, appreciate it. Nah, but when I pulled up, everybody was like, yeah, what? I thought you had something underneath the hood. Okay, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? They give you that attention too if you want to do it, but I ain't doing it for the attention. I just wanted to do it, you know what I'm saying? Cause fucking nigga, why not? This shit fun. Oh my god, nigga, people can't drive, and that should be pissing me off. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all this little POV. I wish I could put it outside so y'all can really see, but this'll do. Can't really do too much though, cause traffic and shit. But it's cool. By the way, I'm recording this with my hand, so if it's a little shaky, that's my bad. Yeah, I definitely recommend that y'all do this shit while it's nice and hot outside for the summer. Just something fun to do, you know what I'm saying? And apparently it make your check engine light go off. Look at that. I might keep my hood off for a little minute, I ain't gonna lie. This shit raw as fuck. I need an air intake. I need another one. Because the one I got on right now is a Hellcat one. And that ain't really doing shit. So I'm gonna just get an air intake. But I'm gonna end the video here, man. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, a nice little calm POV. Nothing too crazy, you feel me? All I did was just take the hood off, you know, nothing much. But, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. While it's hot outside, I do recommend that y'all take the hood off of any car y'all have. I don't even fuck, it's a Malibu, motherfucking BMW, motherfucking pickup truck. Like, just have fun, bro. Like, That's all it is, man. Just have fun and enjoy life how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna get an air intake and I'm gonna do it again so y'all can like hear, like, you know what I'm saying, to hear me like breathing. You feel me? It's the one I got on right now, just off an old scat, not old scat, an old Hellcat. That was from a junkyard, so yeah. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.
That little bitch like young, yeah. I bought a yard, said let her pay me all year like a bird.